Welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and I'm finally here to announce the giveaway winner for the Double Dip nail kit. So today, guys, I am using a few colors from Double Dip. They are dip powders, but I'm using them with monomer today. So I'll make sure that I tag every color, everything that I'm using in the description box. I'm also using some of their new decals that they have available now. So yes, guys, I'm so excited. It's been a while. It's been crazy. Y'all know I work a full-time job and I own a business, and my business is popping. So your girl has been busy. So anyways, let me jump into these nails. This was just a freestyle. Like I said, I've been busy and I really cannot be working fast with long nails. So I decided to do this on my practice hand. If you're interested in this practice hand, I'll make sure that I leave that in the description box as well. I think this kit was like $10 and you get 2 hands. But anyways, I wanted to do some marbling. I wanted to use some blues. So I used their glow in the dark dip powder, as well as their new Christmas collection color Sleigh Bells, which is limited edition. So just letting you guys know, after I believe next week, it will no longer be available. And then I'm also using their white. So the one thing about using dip powders with monomer is you have to kind of really work on your ratio, because they're so finely ground that they can kind of run a little bit. So as I went on with these nails, I used less monomer, and it was a lot easier to work with them. But as you guys know, Double Dip Nail Company, their dip powders are my absolute favorite, because their dip powder is like low-key similar to baby powder. It's not as soft as baby powder, but it's right behind it, and it's just very fine. And I like that, because even though it might take you a few extra dips to get, you know, where you want to go, it's no lumps and bumps and all of that. It's just a very smooth application. So that's why I really like this. But anyways, I'm shut up again and let you guys watch me work. And now for the reason why I know most of you guys came to find out the giveaway winner. And congratulations to Stacey May. You are the winner. Please DM me your mailing address so I can get this shipped out to you as soon as possible. And Merry Christmas.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
So guys, after marbling all these other nails, I decided to just do one solid nail. This is the color Sleigh Bells from Double Dip. And then I wasn't gonna do the thumb on this practice hand because this thumb is so awkward, but I went ahead and did it. And then I just did like a white and sleigh bell ombre.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
So once I was done with these nails, guys, I decided to go ahead and encapsulate all of them with clear because, as you all know, I use very thin colors, and then I come in and encapsulate with clear. And then at the end, I decided to add a little glitter to that pinky nail because I just wanted it to kind of be cohesive with the other nails. So I added in some of these star glitters. In case you're wondering, these also came from Double Dip. They have like a whole kit of them, and you get, I think it's like 12 colors or something like that. So I did that, file shaped and buffed off camera, and then I finished with the number 4 from Double Dip, and that's it, y'all. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Mila B out.